friends. I hope all of you are very fine and happy. May it be so. Last class we understood or we saw Harris suggested the speaker he and George had better do the remaining of packing or the remaining or the balance of packing. So the speaker really agreed with them and sat on a chair, watching how or the way how they pack the things. Harris and George started packing, breaking a cup first. Now today we can see what happened later. Okay, listen very carefully. Then Harris packed the strawberry jam on top of a tomato and squashed it, and they had to pick out the tomato with a teaspoon. Harris packed the strawberry jam on top of a tomato and squashed it. Squashed means what? Crushed or pressed it, and they had to pick out the tomato with a teaspoon. And with the result of that pressing, that is squashing, tomato got damaged and that will broken. So they had to pick out or take out the tomato with a teaspoon because of they pressed it very tightly. That is what seen the next or in the next moment. Okay, then it was George's turn, and he trod on the butter. Trod is the past form of tread, T-R-E-A-D. Tread means what? Step on something or walk over something. That is what? Tread. Its past is what? Trod. That means what? Stepped very heavily on the butter. Then it was George's turn. George's turn means what? Chance. And he stepped heavily on the butter. What would happen when somebody stepped or walked over a butter? What would happen? That will be smashed over the place and that will be damaged. They stepped on things and they lost things. They packed the pies at the bottom, put everything on top and smashed the pies in. Okay, they don't know the order of packing. Very soft things they packed in the bottom of the bag. Above that they placed or put the heavy things, the weighted things. What would happen whenever we do that? The soft things will be what? Broken and damaged, and that will be squashed or smeared on the surface. Okay, and like here in the case also that happens. Okay, they dropped salt over everything. Dropped means what? Put or let fall something. Here it means what? Dropped means they put salt or everything. And as for the butter, I never saw. As for the considering the matter of butter, I never saw two men make such a mess with so little butter in my whole life. The speaker said that he really haven't seen in his life two men make what? Disorder. Mess means what? Disorder with a small amount of butter. Such kind of mess, such a kind of disorder or such a kind of mess they are really made on a small amount of butter. In his life he hadn't seen yet such a kind of two men making what? Mess or disorder with a small amount of butter. First George dropped it on the slipper. First George dropped or put or let the butter fall on a slipper. Slipper means what? Chapel. After he picked it up. After that he picked or he hold up it from the slipper. He and Harris thought they would keep it inside the kettle. George and Harris thought it is better to keep the butter inside of a kettle or a bottle or jug and the like. Okay, but all of the butter would not go inside the kettle. Then they tried to make the butter go inside or inserted or put it completely into the kettle, but it is impossible to insert or put complete butter inside of the kettle. So they tried to bring it out of the kettle. They tried, but it will not. It cannot be put completely to the kettle. So they tried to take back from the kettle. Then it would not come out easily. So it would not come out from the kettle easily and comfortably. So they had to remove it with a spoon. That is the reason why they had to use a spoon to make the butter come out from the kettle completely. Then they put down the butter on a chair. After having taken out from the kettle, they placed the same butter on a chair. Harris sat on it. Annoyingly, he forgot the matter that what they placed the butter on a chair without remembering that he sat on the chair, and it stuck to him. Stuck is the past form stick. Stick means what? Jammed or attached into his bag. Then that is stuck into him. He and George went all over the room. They went all over the room. What is the reason? Searching where the butter they placed. They don't know where they placed the butter. Because what? That butter completely stuck on the back of whom? George. Sorry, Harris. Harris sat on the chair. Okay. That butter stuck to Harris. Then after some time, he and George went all over the room. They searched each and every corner of the room for what? For the butter. Okay. The packing was done. At last the packing was done at 12:50, 12 past 50 or 10 to 1 o'clock. Harris sat on the big hamper and hoped nothing would be broken. Then at the time, Harris sat on the big basket thinking what or hoping what? Nothing would be broken. Many a thing they broke. They broke many a thing, cup, jars and the like. And they damaged strawberry jam, potato, tomato and the like. Okay, and really the butter also they destroyed. But now Harris sat on the chair hamper or the big basket hoping what nothing would not be broken. Okay, nothing would be broken. We cannot use what nothing would not be. What is the reason? Nothing is really negative. So we have to use what? Nothing would be broken. Okay, George said he was ready for bed. George said that he was ready for bed because what? He felt asleep. He felt sleep or asleep. That is why he said he was ready for bed. Then we were all ready for bed. Everybody. The three of them, the speaker and his two companions, George and Harris, were really ready for bed. Harris was to sleep with us that night. Harris had to sleep with the speaker and George that night, and we went upstairs. That is why the three of them went upstairs for bed or for sleeping. Okay. At last the packing was done at 12:15. That means what? 10 to 1 o'clock. Very late at night they finished packing. So here we understood that what packing is not easy matter. We have to know the arrangement, the order of packing. Okay, the heavy things should be placed and packed in the bottom part of the bag. After that the soft thing can be placed. Otherwise the soft thing will be destroyed and ruined or smashed. Okay, fine. So really packing is not what? Easy thing. They understood that. The first of the lesson, the speaker really was very proud of his special capacity or special skill of packing. That is why he suggested he would do everything. Don't worry. At the time, Harris and George really agreed and sat on their chair very easily. But at last, the speaker found himself that what it is not easy. Then he let or permitted or allowed Harris and George to pack the remaining things. But in the case of Harris and George was not special or different. They also failed to pack the things properly and perfectly. Then at last they went for bed. Okay, that is what the story is. I think all of you are able to understand, or all of you understood the story well and good. Okay, fine. So listen this session or this video very carefully and very attentively, and be ready for our live session. Okay, if you have any doubt in this video, you can ask me and you can make your doubt cleared. Okay, fine. Okay, fine, yes.